Junior high, it's already Friday again, so it's time to talk about tech tips again that are going to help you through this year. So, as a topic today, I thought we'd talk about attachments. And you all have Chromebooks, and you may or may not be very familiar with how you work with attachments or where they go on your Chromebook. So, this may be a review for some of you, but I think it's important. This is something that you're going to have to do, especially when you start to work with Google Classroom and things like that. So we're going to talk about it here, and then I want to give you an opportunity to practice this yourself. So if we look at your Gmail, what it's going to look like, I sent an email with the October meal menus for the month. So you can see my email here, and if I open it, you can see this is the meal menu right here that's attached. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to download that attachment. And it is downloading as we speak. So the question is, where on your Chromebook does that go? So I'm going to show you through this tutorial. So down here in the lower left-hand corner of your screen, there's a little circle button. You can see it blinking right here. And if you click on that button, it's going to open up this screen right here. Okay, and then you've got to click here, which if you click on that, then it opens up this screen, and you'll see this little icon here, and it's just titled Files. It's a little blue one with a folder in the middle. Okay, if you click on that, that will bring up all the files that are on your computer. So anything that you've downloaded, if you click, like you can see here, it says My Files and then Downloads. If you click on Downloads, it's going to bring everything up. So I just downloaded the October meals. On my account, it would come up as October meals right here. So that's what you need to do to find your downloads that you get as attachments on emails. Now, sometimes it can be a little bit of a trial to get file formats correct. And sometimes you'll get on a computer and it just won't let you open it won't let you open a file for whatever reason, like a Microsoft Word file or something like that. So one of the universal file formats is a PDF, and I think everybody knows what I'm talking about when I say PDF. So if you absolutely can't get anything to work, or let's say you're trying to submit an assignment to your teacher and your teacher keeps saying, well, it's not coming through, here's what you can do. If you go, I created a Google Doc right here. So if I go up here and I go to File, and then I go to Download, I can download this file as a PDF. If I click on that, it's actually going to download as a PDF. So once you get it as a PDF and you go back through that process that we talked about here, about where that file goes, when you go to attach the file, you'll go back through that process, you'll attach the file to an email, and you can send it to anybody. And that should allow you to have a universal file format that will open on just about any computer. So today we're talking mainly about downloads and how you find that on the Chromebook. So what I would like you to do is I would like you to, and it doesn't matter what doc that you're using, but I'd like you to download one document as a PDF in your Google Drive. You need to find that under the Downloads file on your Chromebook, and then I want you to send that to a friend and make sure that you know how to do that. Alright, so it's not a complicated process. Like I said, it might be a review for most of you, but it's something that's important and something that you need to know. So go ahead and do that now, and good luck. If you have any questions, you can always come talk to me or one of your teachers. Have a great